For this quiz, you will need a pen and a piece of paper to write your answers down. There are 10 questions and I've allocated 1 minute for each question. At the end of each question, you will hear a ding. Let's get started. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. And question 10. That's the end of the questions. Let's move on to the answers. Question 1. Find the upper bound and lower bound of 5 to the nearest unit. The lower bound is 4.5 and the upper bound is 5.5. Question 2. Find the upper bound and lower bound of 450 to the nearest 10. The lower bound is 445, the upper bound is 455. Question 3. Find the upper bound and lower bound of 627 to the nearest unit. The lower bound is 626.5 and the upper bound is 627.5. Question 4. Find the upper bound and lower bound of 9,990 to the nearest 100. The lower bound is 9,940 and the upper bound is 10,040. Question 5. Find the upper bound and lower bound of 727 to the nearest 100. The lower bound is 677 and the upper bound is 777. Question 6. Find the upper bound and lower bound of 4,444 to the nearest 100. The lower bound is 4,394 and the upper bound is 4,494. Question 7. 900 has been rounded to 3 significant figures. Find the upper and lower bounds. The lower bound is 899.5 and the upper bound is 900.5. Question 8. 8 has been rounded to 2 significant figures. Find the upper and lower bounds. The lower bound is 7.95 and the upper bound is 8.05. Question 9. 0.02 has been rounded to 1 significant figure. Find the upper and lower bounds. The lower bound is 0.015 and the upper bound is 0.025. Question 10. 500 has been rounded to 1 significant figure. Find the upper and lower bounds. The lower bound is 450 and the upper bound is 550. Well, that's the end of my quiz, upper and lower bounds. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.